The fresh grains for it, so it's kind of like a little, more like
Gotta get a video
cassava
of
than anything.
Yeah. I've never seen that bottle. Crazy.
It's beautifully smooth. Yeah.
Oh, stop.
Look at that. So it tastes a lot like cachaça, is what I find. It's like made so differently.
Yeah, that is very different. That's nice. That's nice though.
So that's what we use. It's at a weird angle because I got to do it like that.
Oh, killing it.
There's my little.
Oh, my man. Thank you very much, brother. I went round the corner to look at ice cream. Then I found a whiskey shack. Left the family. Melted geezer. Got an old fashioned. Got him to bring the man up with the music. I'm taking over the place.
Oh, this is it.
Oh my